Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Raider knot. So if you're an Oakland Raider fan, this is for you because this is a black and silver tie and a black and silver knot. So here we go. We're going to come over here. We're going to bring this over. We're going to do a cylinder here. We're going to come around a handful of times. We're going to come over here like this. We're going to fold it in half, and then we're going to bring it through the center here like this. Then we're going to come up and over like this, and then we're going to through this right here. We're going to go through there like that. We're going to leave that undone, and then we're going to come through here like this. Then we're going to leave it pointing up like that. So there you have the Raider knot. So again, oh no style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We will see you in the next video. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. Thank you for watching.